Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about poriferans, the classification of poriferans, and we'll also discuss about a few important poriferans which have economic importance, which are good as in they have a lot of economic importance. Now the poriferans are divided on the basis of spicules present, or you can say on the basis of the endoskeleton. They are divided into calcare, hexactinella and desmospongia. These are the three divisions of poriferans on the basis of the exoskeleton present. Calcare are the ones which have spicules, which have spicules made of calcium carbonate. Fine. So they have calcium carbonate spicules. They are calcareous in nature, calcium carbonate spicules, and the spicules are unbranched. Unbranched spicules. If you see the structure of spicule, it will be an unbranched spicule. So they are calcare. Hexactinella are the ones which have spicules made of salicylic acid, siliceous spicules are there, and they are branched. They are branched spicule. So this is the difference. Fine. They are the spicules made up, but both have spicules in them, wherein desmospongia is the one which does not have spicules, and instead of spicules they have spongin fibers. Spongin fibers, which is a very soft fiber and is not hard as of calcareous and salicylic spicules. It's not that hard, it's very soft. It's found in euspongia. It's found in euspongia, which is a freshwater sponge. Example in euspongia, which is used as a bath sponge. Now why is it used? Why can it be used as a bath sponge? Because it does not have these spicules present in it, which makes it quite very soft due to the presence of the spongin fibers, which have spongin protein present in them, and hence it's very soft, so can be used as a bath sponge. Then some of the special sponges is spongilla. Spongilla, which is the only fresh water sponge. Otherwise all the other sponges are seawater. Spongilla is the only sponge which is used as which is a freshwater sponge, and it has endogenous budding which undergoes in this type of sponge or poriferan, that is spongilla. It is the thing which you need to remember is that it is the only freshwater sponge, otherwise other are seawater sponges. Then we have Spongilla officinalis. Officinalis, which is a very expensive bath sponge. So these are a few sponges with economic importance. So herein we have discussed the characteristic division or classification of sponges on the basis of endoskeleton present, and we have discussed the two important sponges. From our next video we'll start with coelentrates or cnidarians. Keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.